Anyway, I planted some peas and they ain't up. They're not up yet. And they had a little age on them, so I'm saying they might not come up. Anyway, we'll look here. They might be up now. What I intend to do, now I've done fertilized this. I cut them figs down, by the way, too. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get my beans in the ground. And if I don't change my mind, these right here, beans, may be the only beans that I plant this year. Because we've got plenty of beans from last year. I'll check for them peas in a minute and see if they're up. There was something. Where'd it go? Huh. I don't know, maybe it's a weed. Now, we'll take our beans and plant our beans through here. I like to plant them fairly thick because this ground is in pretty good shape. And this thing will support quite a few beans. Yeah, I had my peas, and they're still there. That don't mean they won't come up. But anyway. They'll they'll have a race if they come up together. They'll have a little race, the peas and the beans. The peas and the beans. Okay, let's cover them beans up. Not crazy. Inch and a half maybe. All right. Fortex beans in the ground. Whew. All right. I'm gonna rake this in here just a little in the center. Cause I've got a few little weeds that oughtn't to be there, that are trying to come up, and I don't want them up. So I can slow them down right here. No need to get the tiller out. I might have to. There's some of these little buggers that you you think you can get them, and they're pretty deep, the roots. They don't have to get very big. And they've done got that roots sent down there. I think that'll help. Whew. Taters is coming out. I'm gonna have to skim the top of them before long. Start watching for tater bugs. Whew. Yeah.